3, 2, 1.
Vitamin D is made in the skin when it is exposed to what? The answer is C, sunlight. In Friends, who played Chandler Bing's father? The answer is B, Kathleen Turner. What does the Kyoto Protocol focus on controlling? The answer is B, greenhouse gas emissions. Which piece of sports equipment is used to measure distance in golf? The answer is A, rangefinder A. After graduation, Howard Stern worked for what obscure station in Briarcliff Manor, New York, playing disco music? The answer is D, 107.1 WRNW FM. What was George Washington's first occupation? The answer is B, land surveyor. Which city has the Golden Gate Bridge? The answer is B, San Francisco. What is the largest subdivision of Indo-European as regards the largest number of native speakers and of individual languages? The answer is B, Indo-Iranian. What is the concept tabula rasa primarily associated with? The answer is A, the mind is a blank slate. What is the evolutionary history of a group of related organisms called? The answer is D, phylogeny. Who was the first person to break the sound barrier in level flight? The answer is D, Chuck Yeager. The famous Japanese cherry trees were planted in Washington, D.C. around the tidal basin at the request of which U.S. First Lady? The answer is C, Helen Taft. The painting American Gothic by Grant Wood is a part of which art movement? The answer is D, modernism. What is the unit of data transferred on the Internet called? The answer is B, megapixel. What city do Jimmy and his friends live in on the show The Adventures of Jimmy Neutron, Boy Genius? The answer is C, Retroville. Who invented supply and demand theory? The answer is A, Adam Smith. With which member of the party planning committee does office character Pam often come into conflict? The answer is C, Angela. Which TV show features characters named Ross, Chandler, Joey, and Monica? The answer is C, Friends of New York. What are the 3 stages of water? The answer is C, ice, liquid, vapor. In what episode of the Buffy series did Buffy kiss Spike for the first time without any magic intervention? The answer is B. Intervention. Which cartoon family lives in a grass house with feet? The answer is A. The Flintstones. The mechanical and digestive processes have one goal: to convert food into molecules small enough to be absorbed by the epithelial cells of what? The answer is A. Intestinal villi. What do you need to do to water to make it steam? The answer is C. Heat it. What is the medical term for a tumor in the liver? The answer is A. Hepatoma. Who is the NBA's all-time leading scorer? The answer is C. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. Which actor played Lenny Kisnowski on the sitcom Laverne Shirley? The answer is A. Michael McKean. Which geometric proof uses the method of exhaustion to prove that the area of a circle is equal to the area of a regular polygon with a large number of sides? The answer is B. Archimedes' proof of sphere and cylinder theorem. Which band is known for the song Smells Like Teen Spirit? The answer is A. Nirvana. What is the deepest part of the ocean? The answer is B. Pacific Trench. What company manufactures the F-35 Joint Strike Fighter? The answer is A. Lockheed. What is the sum of an infinite series of prime numbers starting from 2? The answer is C. Cannot be determined. Which brand was advertised with this slogan, "I'd rather fight than switch"? The answer is C. Terraton. A black brick exposed to sunlight becomes warm. How is energy from the sun transferred to the brick? The answer is C. Radiation. On the show Coach, what was the name of the fictional university at which the coach worked? The answer is D. Minnesota State University. Because the fields that make up an electromagnetic wave are at right angles to each other and to the direction that the wave travels, an electromagnetic wave is considered what? The answer is A. Transverse wave. What is the planet Uranus named after? The answer is C. The Greek god of the sky. The world's most expensive coffee, Kopi Luwak, goes through a unique harvesting process. In Indonesian, Kopi means coffee and Luwak means what? The answer is A. Civet. What is a software that helps manage files and run programs on a computer? The answer is A. Operating system. Which factor has the greatest effect on a community's stores of fresh water? The answer is B, the average annual rainfall. The large positive free energy change leads to a value that is extremely what? The answer is A, small. What does the T in TCP/IP stand for? The answer is C, transmission control. Who played the role of Forrest Gump in the eponymous movie? The answer is B, Leonardo DiCaprio. What is the name of the salad dressing company that Paul Newman founded? The answer is C, Newman's Own. Where's the city of Bahia Blanca located? The answer is C, Argentina. How many mass distinctions have radically altered the history of life? The answer is B, 5. How many were the Old 300, the families which settled in South Texas and formed the first Anglo-American colony there? The answer is B, 297. The name Ohio is derived from an Iroquois Indian word meaning what? The answer is C, large river. What is the largest pyramid ever built? The answer is A, Great Pyramid of Giza. What is the midpiece of sperm packed with? The answer is C, mitochondria. References to measurements of a circular basin in the Bible Kings 7:23 appears to give what corresponding value for pi?